Hi, welcome back to my vlog. I'm Maha. Today is a very special day because my mom and my dad are flying to China to see me. They are very curious about my life here. So I want to show them the real Shanghai. But before that, we're going to meet an important person. Guess who is it?
Shanghai.
We're going to meet the Sky Chef Ludwig from China Eastern Airlines. My dad loves to cook. He's also teaching cooking lessons at the school, so he was hoping to meet the chef in person. After watching my vlog about CAA tour, that's why we are here at their catering company.
What is this?
It's just like an air shower.
Yes.
Where you take the hair or something what's on your clothes away.
Okay.
Yeah, this floor is all food production. Everything goes in a sanitizer for, I think, 15 minutes. I think we will do that. Also, all of them have different feeling. This is like mushroom.
So you have every room for one specific type of food, right?
This area makes all the hot food.
Qui è il cibo caldo.
And this is the cold food.
E lì è il cibo freddo invece.
Then it goes to the X-ray machine to find out if there's some metal or something inside.
Okay. Yeah, I was very surprised because I didn't expect that in here you will make so much food. And I was surprised how clean it is. It's very clean. And how do you decide the menu? Like the standard menu, do you change it or is it
every month?
Only
the menu change every month.
So how is different the menu for the crew and the passenger? Is it a lot different? Or?
Yes.
Very different.
Yes. What you have seen downstairs, the big box.
Yeah.
This is the crew meal. So the crew meal is very Chinese, but very high standard. I said the captain have to eat one meal, and the co-pilot cannot eat the same meal.
Yes, interesting.
Shanghai. After visiting the food factory, we decided to learn to make the local dish from Chef Ludwig, soup dumplings.
Oh, non me le metto per me. Bruttino, eh?
Getting closer.
The freshly steamed dumplings are so good. My dad and I ate several each. Aren't Dad and I in sync? And of course we got a gift from home for the chef.
Yeah, this is a special gift for the Mid-Autumn Festival. It's the next holiday, I think 15. Moon cakes. Thank you.
We also bring, this is from our hometown, it's olive oil. Yeah, it's olive oil. We made by ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make your own olive oil?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Ciao, Shanghai.